Okay, today we're gonna make a stracciatella. It's an Italian soup, which when I was a kid was for special occasion like Christmas, Easter, maybe New Year, because you can't afford to have it very often. Over here they call it maybe the Italian wedding soup, egg drop, I don't know, but it's Stracciatella, it's the Italian name. Got everything ready here, 5 eggs, about half cup of Parmigiano, about a quarter cup breadcrumbs, some lemon grate, about half lemon grate, parsley, maybe a spoon and a half too, and some chicken from my soup that I make it. Cut them off small and I'm gonna go into that after. Now we're gonna make a stracciatella a modo mio, my way. Okay, here we go. You can use a fork to beat it, but for me it's easy with an electric, what do you call this? Blender. Okay. Let's just give them a little bit. Okay, now put everything in. Okay. Okay, here I got my broth getting ready, boiling. Not yet, not ready yet. Approximately it's a liter and a half, more or less. Depends how thick you like it. You can put a little more, you can put a little less. Okay, broth is boiling. Okay, my way. I put a little hot broth in here so it won't get too lumpy when I pour in. Okay. Put into a boil, and it's about ready. Stracciatella means little rags. Because it eventually look like little rags. Just have the little piece of chicken. That's optional. If you don't like it, don't put them in. Couple minutes should be ready. So now ready. A little taste right there and close. Salt and pepper was in the broth already. That's about it. Little rags. Okay, time to try. I can remove this. Fantastic. Very good.
If you like my Nonno Gino's recipe, please do like, comment and subscribe.
Se vi piace la mia ricetta mettete un like e soscrivete.
Si le gusta la receta de mi nonno, por favor, apriete el like, comente y suscríbase. Si vous avez aimé la recette de mon nonno, appuyez sur like, laissez des commentaires et abonnez-vous.